Okay, let's do enough and continue. Yes, grow your audience with our free website builder. MailChimp now also providing free website builder, but we don't require website building now, right? Okay, create a campaign. Here is what happening. This section is your feed. Your most important marketing activity will show up. We can create a marketing campaign from here. GAU you have added their business name and address, right? Everything has been added. And zero total audience we have. We don't have any audience right now. So create a website, create a campaign and dashboards. Let's click here. Add contacts. Add contacts, right? Yes. We reached here on the adding basically contacts. How we can your audience has one contacts. One of these are subscribers. Okay, and these are basically the contacts. This is one contacts is sskapri@gmail.com email address, right? And subscribed, right? And we can, if you are adding the contacts, then you can add contacts like, right? Add subscriber, import contacts. That is, if you have a CSV file somewhere, you can import that, right? Upload file, upload a CSV or tab delimited text file, copy paste, right? So make whenever we need to upload or integrate our email addresses, so we need to make a CSV file. And how we make CSV files? We can make CSV file by saving on, if we have the data in Excel. For making a CSV file, you need data in Excel, not in Word or other formats. In Excel, you can save easily by saying save as CSV. We can save, just go to back. So this is basically how we can add contacts, right? How we can add contacts. And here other manage contacts. You have different groups, segments. We can segment, right? As we talked about segmentation. We can segment on different basis. We can give different tags. Unsubscribe addresses, right? As we click on unsubscribe buttons multiple times, so we can have unsubscribe addresses. View achieved contacts, view contacts. These are the different import history and audience export. These are the different facilities MailChimp provides about manage contacts, right? That is opening a new window, we don't need. Overview, then add contacts, sign up forms. Sign up forms is creating a form for signing up for email address. So you can create a form here for signing up as well. So sign up form. Survey, we can get insights by collecting feedback from your audience, right? That is again about surveys and all. That is about surveys. The internet connection problem. Okay, it's okay. Right, surveys and all. So we have, this is our audience, add contacts. This is again a dashboard, right? Audience dashboard, sign up forms, tags, surveys, preference center, inbox, right? So these are the different. So we can add contacts, add a subscriber as can be added manually. We can be added manually, right? Subscribers can be added manually as well. Or we can import CSV file. If we have contacts in Excel, then we can save that file. We can save that file, add a subscriber, email address, right? Email address, first name, last name, address. This we can address our subscribers manually as well. Tags, if any tag is there, date of birth, right? Birth date, birth date, month and date, as we receive emails on our birthday from many shopping sites, many places, country, states, provinces, all the details, right? For segmentation and all, we can add. If you are adding a subscriber, even if you are making a list, if you are importing your subscribers from an email list, so you need these fields on that email list. If you are going to import subscriber, address line 1, 2, city, state, postal, GPU, and phone number, birthday, if any tag is there, permission to email them. This person gave me permission to email them. The permission is required to sending emails. So this way we can add our subscribers and we can manage. We can launch our campaigns, right? We can launch our campaigns. Getting the point? So this is about, these are the different settings and all, audience name and default, GDPR fields and settings, publicity settings, right? Audience fields, merge text, required email footer content, email beamer, right? Inbox and surveys and different. This is basically what we do. What initially at the first time we add subscribers, because we want to send emails to our subscribers, we want to check them, so we need to add subscriber. So we can add subscribers, some subscriber, we can add 2, 3, 4 subscribers, and then we can start sending email campaigns. Getting the point? Then we can start sending email. Create a campaign, that is, this is basically dashboard. This is dashboard. This is create a campaign. We can say this is email, design and send automated or regular emails. It is from here on the dashboard. Customer journey, email template, it's all available. Multi-channel design and landing pages. We can develop landing pages, surveys and advertisement. Target your contacts, find a new audience, or bring people back to your site with feed, Facebook, Instagram or Google advertising. Social post, share and track posts across your social channels. Getting the point? Different features, loaded with different features. That email marketing software is loaded with different features. It is what the next is audience. It talks about your audience. This audience has one context about our view context. Audience is our contact database. It is our contact database. And if we have, then we can check our contact campaigns. We can start campaigns here, right? We can start campaign here. But for running a campaign, we need email database, at least 5-10, so that we can send emails and we can check opening rates. We can check opening rates and we can click rates and delivery rates, all the rates, right? And ongoing draft, that is a calendar. You can even set the campaigns as well. What is limited data processing, or right? This is about January 21 calendar, and you can set your campaigns on the basis of calendar view. Create campaign. If we will go on the create a campaign, right? Creating a campaign, then it requires, again we have discussed about that, creating a campaign. So we can create different types of campaigns. Basically we can create different types of view by type. This is email campaign, automation campaign. Automation campaign is the email campaign will trigger on the basis of some variable. So automatically email will be sent on automatically by fulfilling something. So different types of campaigns we can send using email campaigns, automation campaign, landing page related campaign, advertising campaign, postcards, social post and surveys, right? We can send different types of no campaigns yet, right? No campaigns. And email templates, we can have different email templates, right? The written, basically we don't have saved any template. It is saying reports, right? Reports, so we can have different types of reports, right? Reports and different, but all this to learn all this, we need to make a small email campaign with the help, first to add campaigns and comparatives, right? First is to help, since we don't have any campaign, we are not getting any report. This is about campaigns, this is about automations, this is about website, this is about content studio, this is about integration, and this is about searches. So for the reports, we need to have a campaign at least, so the email marketing campaign, and for that campaign we need to add some email contacts in our database, 4, 5, 6, 10. Then we can draft an email, and then we send this email to all of them, and then we can find the reports, how many has opened, which time, how many have clicked on the link inside the email, how many emails has been delivered. And if you are designing such a campaign, what you can do, you can have 1 or 2 wrong email addresses, so that you will find the report. If you have 10 email database, create a database of 10 email addresses. 1 or 2 should be wrong email address. If you are sending that data emails to these 10 email addresses, the report will tell you that only 8 has been delivered, and then different opening rates will be there, and then different click rates. Make a clickable link within your email, right? And this is an email marketing assignment. Everyone please listen. The assignment is, everyone will make their account with MailChimp, then will create a database of 10 email addresses of your friends and family members. उनके हो सकते हैं 10 email IDs and उनके detail plus 8 basically, 2 may be wrong email addresses. Then design an email के अंदर एक लिंक होना चाहिए जिसके हमें क्लिक करने की रिपोर्ट मिले. The link may be visit to GEHU वेबसाइट, राइट. ईमेल के अंदर लिंक बना दिया, और लिंक का कहाँ, किसको, GEHU वेबसाइट खुलने का लिंक बना दो, ठीक है, खुल जाएगी, राइट. तो you will be able to find reports. So I need, everyone must complete this assignment of email marketing. I have explained the theory all about email marketing, how to write even email subject line, right, email copies, how to make them attractive, clickable, everything is needed. And now we are here on MailChimp, and how we can create the mail campaigns and all that has been explained. Everyone must visit the website mailchimp.com, make your account, add 10 email addresses, design a email campaign, a small paragraph with email, send it to all of your or to your contacts, and then analyze the report you will receive, right. That is about email marketing, how we can start on. And email flow is basically, as I said, right, different types of campaigns are there. एक email आपने भेज दी, suppose email flows, you have sent the email. How we can create the flow? Suppose on, as I said, within that email copy you have a link, clickable link, and the audience or the visitor, your prospective customer, clicks on that link and reaches to your website, right. आपकी वेबसाइट ही पहुंच गया, इंस्टेड ऑफ GEHU आपकी एक वेबसाइट है उस पर पहुंच गया. उस वेबसाइट पे पहुंच के नाउ यू नीड हिम और हर टू फिल ए स्मॉल फॉर्म और टू परचेज समथिंग. उसने फॉर्म भर दिया, एक 3 छोटा सा फॉर्म भर दिया. अब फॉर्म जैसे ही सबमिट करेगा तो देन यू नीड टू सेंड ए थैंक यू email. Thank you very much for your subscription, or you have provided the information, this and that. Now the second email, first email you are sending as a marketing email, marketing campaign email. Second email will be triggered. कब trigger होगी? It will trigger when your visitor fills the form or purchases something on your website, order or submit button के बाद, that this is automation, marketing automation we call it. The second email will be automatically sent. Maybe third email, suppose second email जा रही है, second email it is sent, the system is sending second email when it is he or she submitting a form. The third may be something the data you are verifying that data on the form. If everything is right as you expected, you need on that form, the data 45345 fields, then you can send a third email with some offer or something else, some blog or some downloadable content and all, right? That is what? That is your next email, third email. And this is all is about email automation, automation we say. And all has, this is managed using this successive emails. The emails will trigger on the basis of some clicks, some defined clicks, predefined clicks, right? Getting the point? So this is all about email marketing, and we discussed in multiple 4-5 sessions, right? Thank you very much. Please submit your assignment on time.